Hey there, fellow traders. I'm here to spill the beans on two mind-blowing trading view indicators. Just wait till you see the proof in our upcoming backtesting session. The results will blow your mind. Alrighty, fellow traders, go ahead and launch the platform. Next up, swing by the indicators tab and prepare to uncover the first gem of our trading treasure trove. Type in Scalp Tool R1. Nice work getting the Scalp Tool R1 on your chart. Now let's make it perfect for your trading style. The settings can be changed, so don't be afraid to try different things until you find what works best for you. To start, find the letter gear icon and click on it. But wait, there's more. We've got another fantastic indicator up our sleeves that'll be your trusty sidekick in confirming those profitable trades. Before we dive into the details, let me introduce you to TradeGenius. That's us. We're all about sharing strategies that are not only easy peasy and free, but also insanely profitable. We've got your back in the wild world of trading. So if you're digging this video and want more game-changing tips, show us some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel. Trust me, we'll keep those killer trading strategies coming. Alrighty traders, it's time to hop back to the indicators tab at the top of your screen. Give it a click and you'll spot the search bar. That's our ticket to finding our second superstar indicator, the MACD4C. Now let's make this strategy a profit-making powerhouse by fine-tuning the settings. Alright, we're just getting started. Next up, we'll dive into the heart and soul of this strategy, the exact rules on how to trade with these fantastic indicators. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alrighty traders, it's time to uncover the buy trade entry signals and make sure we're swimming with the market current. Here's the secret. First, check if the white line is above the yellow line. This is our first clue that the market trend is on the rise. Next, ensure the price is above all the lines. This confirms that we're indeed in an upward trend, just the way we like it. Now, wait for the price to pull back to the red line. Patience is key, traders. Next, watch for the bullish breakout. And finally, we need a confirmation from the MACD 4C indicator, which would be a green bar above the zero level. So, if all these stars align, it's time to seize the moment and open a buy position. Exciting, right? But remember, always protect your trade with a trusty stop loss. Choose between the most recent market swing low or one of the MA lines as your safety net. Now, let's talk profits. Set your trade target at a juicy 1.5 times the distance between your entry and a stop loss level. Alrighty traders, it's time to unlock the secrets of sell trades. First up, we want the white line to be below the yellow line. This gives us our initial hint that the market trend might be heading south. Now, we need to see the price being below all the lines. This confirms that we're on a downward trend. That's our ticket to sell trade paradise. Now patience is the key. Let's wait for the price to rally back to the red line. Next, watch for that bearish breakout. And finally, we need a confirmation from the MACD 4C indicator, which would be a red bar below the zero level. So once these stars align, it's go time. Open the sell position and get ready for action. Remember, always cover your back with a trusty stop loss. You can set using the most recent market swing high or one of those handy MA lines. Now let's talk profit taking. Aim for a target that is 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry and a stop loss level. Alrighty traders, buckle up because we're all about dive into some jaw-dropping backtesting results. We took our strategy for a spin on the gold chart using a 15-minute time frame and a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, and the outcome is nothing short of amazing. We're looking at a whopping 69% win rate out of 100 trades and a profit of 196%. That's right folks, this strategy is a real money maker. But wait, there's more. During our 12-week backtesting period, we had an impressive streak of 15 consecutive wins against only 8 consecutive losses. Now let's talk stats. The profit factor for this backtesting session was a solid 3.39, which means we're comparing profit to loss and absolutely crushing it. To top it off, our max drawdown was a mere 7.73%. Pretty remarkable if I do say so myself. And if you're hungry for more winning strategies, don't forget to check out our other video jam-packed with another powerful trading approach. Just click on the recommended video pumping up on your screen and dive into even more profit boosting techniques. Happy trading!